I can always count on my road dog to be with me and hang out with me at night. When I can't sleep, it seems like he'll get up with me and walk around. When I come around and move around and get out here in the shop, he'll just come out here with me and chill out, take a nap. This is a cat I found in the desert. I rescued this cat. Well, I'm gonna say he actually found us in the desert. But I rescued him and he's been like he's a cool cat. You know, I never had a cat kill animals and bring it to my doorstep for me. He was killing with snakes, birds, lizards, whatever. He was safe. He was letting us know he was thankful. But I was just up here thinking about him this morning, man. Oh, just how certain special people will come in your life. And it always seemed like it'll be right on time. Hold on.